Hey, how you doing, everybody? Welcome back. We're gonna shoot a quick video about how to paint the side gates on your house. We already started with the masking, just with the paper on the other side. That's how it looks before the paper and the masking. So we're gonna go ahead and put the tape, the masking tape in here all the way around, and then we're gonna come back with the paper and it's gonna look just like this. Once we're done with the paper, we're gonna go ahead and do the plastic on the floor. Look at how much we had to do the masking on the floor. I wanna say it's about 6 feet away from the wall, from the float wall over there. And it goes from here all the way there. That's about 12, maybe 14 feet. We're doing the same thing on the outside of the door, because you do not want to take no chances. So we are doing the masking in here also. These type of projects, they do require a sprayer. If you do with the roller, it's gonna look like this. Look, somebody else already did the painting on this gate years before, and this is how it looks like if you do it with the roller. We're gonna get our sprayer, our little 390 Graco, and we're gonna be using a 311 spray tip. And as always, we're gonna be using this paint. I don't get sponsored by Vista or anyone else. Just like to say that I love these products. Very good stuff. I mean, you can always prime it if you want to, but as long as you put like 2 coats on everything with this type of paint, it's a great product, man. It will last a long time, even if it rains, even if it gets 118 degrees like we get in Las Vegas. It will last you guys a few years, as long as you do the sanding and the dusting. We're gonna be getting rid of the dust and everything once we're done sanding, and then 2 coats of the paint, and that will be more than enough. All right, guys, we are going to do the sanding. Gerardo's doing the sanding right now. I mean, in places like this, where the paint has already been chipped off, you want to make sure that all the loose paint it's out. These rusted areas, it's simple. I mean, it only takes, I don't believe this gate's been painted for a long time. So look, I'm going all the way to the metal in there, and it's effortless. Look, I'm not even putting any pressure or anything on my sponge. So it's very simple, and like I said, that paint is like super good paint. It's really, really good stuff. So we're just gonna do the sanding normal like we always do, making sure that everything is out of the gate, out of the metal. Of course, we're gonna be scraping everything that is not supposed to be on the gate, like this dropping here. We're gonna grab our potty knife and we're gonna get rid of that, and we're gonna clean all the bottom. We're gonna do it the right way, and then it will look good. It's not gonna look perfect because it's not perfect, but it will be fine. Everything has been sanded. We have done the masking already. We have moved the trucks, so we're gonna go ahead and use our blower like we always do, making sure that there is no dust, debris, or anything like that. And that thing is ready for painting. This particular customer, they have small dogs, so they have added this wire mesh all the way around. And the customer wants us to do the painting, so we decided not to remove it, because if they wanted to get painted, then this will be the easiest way for us to do it. Alright, guys, even if you use a small spray tip, it's always a good idea to wear a mask. You don't want to be breathing all this paint into your lungs, and you will regret that eventually. We don't have have the spindles in here, so this is actually a little bit easier. This is tricky. We're gonna do this side. So look, I can always use something like this brick. That way we can paint the side. So that's it for the first coat, guys. We're gonna go ahead and let it dry. Like I said, 10-15 minutes at the most. And this thing will be completely dry in order for us to do the second coat. Hey guys, it's been almost 20 minutes. Look, it's all dry. So it's ready for us to apply the second coat. So even if you put something like the block and if it gets a little scratch, you can always do that with a little roller or a brush and the touch-up will be perfectly fine. That's it. I mean, remember all these spots right here? Look, they're gone. Nice and neat. It will be nice and shiny once we are done with the unmasking and everything, with the cleaning. So for the most part, it looks pretty good. Alright guys, so this is it for the gates. We did the painting, masking, the sanding, and all the cleaning. Both sides have been done just like this. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna have another video about garage doors, another video about side doors, and that's it. I just want to show you the other side. We did both sides, 2 coats on both of them, and this big project that we started almost 2 weeks ago, it's almost done. I mean, it's not like mansion, but this is a big house. We did the whole repaint, although this video it's only about side gates. So this is the other side gate. Both sides have been completed also. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys will like it, and we'll see you guys on the next project.
That